What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video will be pretty short. I didn't get any footage because, for one, my phone for some reason was capturing my TIG welding as a big bright light that's just white. So I guess a little bit of technical difficulties. And the second reason is because people kept walking into my booth asking questions, so would have been distracting. I have a little bit of footage that I'll show you at the end of the video, but in today's video, I'll just talk about a little bit about TIG welding. Hope you guys enjoy. The two main materials used for TIG welding, at least in my shop or the school shop, is stainless steel and steel aluminum. Before welding on the plate, we have to grind it down because when the material was being made, it was pressed real hard with high heat, which produced like a coating on the material, and TIG welding doesn't like that coating, so we have to grind that off to expose a clean, shiny surface, which we can then start to weld on. The TIG welding process, I would say, is tedious because you're controlling three parts: the torch or gun, the pedal, and the filler rod. Because this is the case, you have to have good eye and hand coordination. When stepping on the pedal, that activates the arc and the gas flow. You then create a puddle with the tungsten or electrode that's in the TIG torch. Then you drag it along and tap the filler rod into the puddle constantly as you go through your weld. I hope this makes sense, but if it doesn't, I'll get some footage next week so it'll be easier for you guys to see what I'm talking about. The next topic of this video is to go over what I got done today, or yesterday, which was Thursday for me, but is now Friday for you guys watching. So if you guys remember, last video, we started TIG welding, and I was practicing running beads. This was practicing running beads without the filler rod. And then remember how I said that I got it graded and he gave me a 9. So today we started practicing running beads with a filler rod. So this was the plate that I got. That was practice. And then he told me to do it again, but on a smaller plate, to run 4 beads. So that's what I did. And he gave me an 8 3/4. Would have been more, but it's because the sides, I mess up on the sides and it doesn't look great. And this is with the filler rod. And then the next assignment was to use these same plates and overlap them. As you can see, I did a lot because he wants it to look, let's see, he wants it to look like something like this, which I can do, but I always get these inconsistencies, so I had to keep trying today. I'm trying to get it perfect. I mean, they're good if I can just get them consistent. But there was like a whole bucket full of these tiny pieces, so I don't think he was worried about me taking a lot of pieces. It's a little harder doing it because you're at a 45-degree angle with a big old knob, you know what I mean? So, and it's hitting up against this ledge, so that makes it harder. This is the last one I did today. I gotta do this side. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got done today. I will continue working on that next week, Tuesday and probably Thursday. I'll get the overlaps done Tuesday and then move on. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had a good Halloween. And thank you for watching. And here's that footage that I mentioned earlier. Last video I told you guys I would show you how to put together the TIG welding torch. So that's what I'm about to show you right now. That's the torch, and there's 4 main pieces. This one, and I still have to get associated with their names, but there's that one. The gas comes out of that one, as you can see by the holes. That one, and that one.